Hi and welcome to this tutorial about installing Simutrans on Debian 9.4.0. We start with some theory. Simutrans are made up of two main parts, a graphical engine and a graphical package. There is one graphical engine for each operation system. And of course they have developed several different graphic packages, but pack 64 are considered to be the standard package. And now to the problem. The problem is that the program center in Debian don't find Simutrans. So close the program center and start up the Synaptic instead. Now search for Simutrans. In Debian there is two graphical packages. The standard package, pack 64, and a British package. To install Simutrans, simple mark for installation. Even mark the dependency. And now apply. Apply again. And wait. The installation is now finished. Close Synaptic and restart your computer. The first time you start Simutrans, you choose the language. You can now set up the game, but that are a part of the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. In the next episode we take a look on the important thing about setting up the map or country so you get what you want out of the game. We also take a look on information, tunnel, landscaping and basic functionality in the game. Thank you for your time.